They have big congregation. If you hear them, you ask yourself two questions. You ask yourself, are they just motivational speakers or are they preachers of the scripture? Or a therapist? You say, I listened to one preacher with over nearly 30,000 congregation. I listened to him for 15 minutes and the name Jesus Christ was never mentioned. The name Jesus Christ was never mentioned. I heard that when you are feeling low, you need to go outside and walk around and say to yourself that I can make it, I can make it, I can make it, I can make it. You have to get up early in the morning with a positive mind, telling yourself that I can make it, I will overcome it. When your relationship is not good, you tell yourself my relationship will be good, my wife will love me, I said, what's going on? What am I listening here?